Hi guys, today we will learn about the Python inbuilt function that is map. So what it does it applies a function to all the items given as an argument in an input list. So what is the syntax for this map? We just simply call it as map and then in bracket again the function on which we need to apply this and comma the iterable here say nums. So whatever on which iterable do we want to apply this map function, so that and then the function itself. So let's see an example again here. Here I will take something as array nums, which is nothing but again 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now what I do is here I am applying the map function. I want the square of all the values in the num. So what I will do is I will just take map function. Now here we write the function. So right now I have not defined my own function. So I'll just use the lambda function, which is nothing but a single liner function definitions which we can do. Video for what is lambda function as well. So I'll suggest you guys to go and have a watch at it. So here I am defining it for the square. So for each value here I want the output as square. Okay, so how it will I will define as I am taking one variable x such that I want output as square of it. So square we defined as square of 2. Okay, so that is how I want my function to return. And on what iterable here is nums. So this is my iterable, that is nothing but the input which I am passing here. Here I want it in a list format. It will be easy to understand. Now let me run this. We will see you have got the squares of all the values which were there in your nums. Let's have something where we are defining our own example here. Let's do similar only. So I'll just define here function and I am just saying it as take a power of 2. That is nothing but square again. Okay, so let me keep it as square only. And I'm passing the argument that is nothing but the list, which is nothing but my nums, which we have defined earlier. This function should return the power, right? So that is nothing but whatever number we have, we are just squaring it power to the 2. And then I need to call this function. So what I will do is I need to map it. So when I say map in function square, this is my function which I have defined here, right? Square, and my iterable is nothing but nums, and I will just store it in result. So it will be easy for us. Result equals to this. Okay, and then I'll just simply print the result. I am printing it in a list form again. It will again have the same result as above. So just I have shown how you can do this. Whatever function you are defining, you can just apply a map function to it. How? By just passing the function on which you want to apply a map and the iterable along with it. That's all guys. Thank you.